So in today's video, we're going to make a start on the internal of the trailer. I've thought of some designs in my head. We're going to give them a go. And also, we're going to do something very dangerous today, so stay tuned. So we're going to make a start just by putting some insulation in the floor. Now I've got the insulation in, I'm just going to plywood the floor, but do it in a way where I can take the boards out depending where I'm going to be working in the trailer. Just before we fasten the ceiling boards up, I've just spent a bit of time marking up where the roof timbers are, and that'll help us in the next stage on the fun bit. So I've got the plywood screwed up now. I've just marked where the timbers are above. And I don't want to cut any more plywood just yet, because what I'm about to do with this, I don't know the outcome. So let's have a look. So in this process, we're going to use a tub, about 200 millilitres of water in that. And this is baking powder. I'm going to do 3 teaspoons. 1, 2, 3. Give that a good mix up. So now I just want to tape up these areas. We'll let that soak. And now I'll explain this. So I made this for my last project, the muck spreader, and I used it in the doors, so I'll show you what it is. So here we go. This is very high voltage. We've got an earth lead, and we have the live lead. So we connect it in areas, switch it on, and it should burn a beautiful pattern in it. So let's give it a go. Just a quick sand down now with some 240 grit sandpaper. So we're all smooth now. I'm just going to give them a coat of some wax them over, and we'll go screw them up and see what they look like. Now I've got that finish on there, you can really see the detailed patterns, what that voltage creates on that plywood. So in the meantime now, I'm just going to drop back, get some materials sorted out, and I'll catch you in the next one. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.